What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today I'm going to show you how to make some crockpot ribs, and you're saying to yourself, Black Hour, crockpot ribs, tell me more. Well, I will. Come on, I'll show you. We'll do it all. We'll do all kinds of things right here, right now. That's right, baby. Slow cooker, baby back, pork, barbecue, ribs. Now, last week, if you joined me on the Cooking with Black Hour show, you would know that I was outside grilling up some pork steaks, baby. It was beautiful. 70 degrees. I was out there in my short sleeves, just living the dream, baby, and slurping that. Bingo! Ooh, it's good. So, about 70 degrees. It was beautiful, man. That was last week, a week ago. This week, 32 degrees. Snow. But cold shit is back, baby. But you know what the problem is? I ain't done with the barbecue. I'm ready for summertime, baby. I'm ready to be out there on the beach drinking some tequila with Sammy Hagar. So, I want to go ahead and continue the barbecue thing. I'm ready, baby. I want that barbecue flavor. I want that flavor I can savor. But we can do it inside so we're not freezing our butts off out there. So, let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, you're looking here and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, looks like you've been in here rubbing your meat by yourself. What, you couldn't wait for us? Well, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Just like I need a little sip of this mang. Ew, that does me right. So, I went ahead and got these rubbed down, and today, what do you think I'm using, boy? But Famous Dave's rib rub seasoning, that legendary secret recipe. Same stuff we used last week. We still stick it with you, baby. So, we're going to put that on top of there, and I want you to pour it on top of there heavy, like that snow was last night. That damn snow that I had to go out and clear. Freeze my butt off. I was out there freezing my butt off like old, the mailman from, from Hey Arnold when he's walking in the snow. Oh, he was cold, and he was not happy. So, kind of like me. But I'm going to be happy tonight. We're going to resolve the solve. So, we go ahead and put that rub on there, and I want you to rub it in. Just like we did last week with that pork steak, rub it in and sing to it, sweet, sweet meat, sweet, sweet meat. Now, flip it over, do the other side the same way. Now you're saying to yourself, like, oh, I noticed you got the ribs cut in half. You got some awful tiny little ribs there. Well, I went ahead and cut these in half because I want them to fit in the crock pot. I want them to cook better. And, of course, today I'm using the baby back ribs. You know, I want the baby backs. Kind of like old, like Fat Bastard. Oh, Dr. Evil. I want your baby. So, that man was crazy. So, we're going to go ahead, you know, cut them in half, put the rub on there. Now, I want to go ahead and get my crock pot because I'm going to go cook it without my crock pot. And we're going to put that over here and then we'll finish up what we got to finish up. So, give me just a second. Let me slurp and I'll be right back. I promise. I'll hurry. I'm not just going to stand here slurping. I swear. Say now, what do we got here? The old crockery. That ain't no porcelain, for example. That's the crock. So, and no crock about it. Let's go ahead and crocodile on our way. So, we're gonna go ahead and take our big rib and put it right down in there, just like that. Beautiful, baby. It already has such a good hue to it. So, next thing that we gotta do, we gotta get our sauce because the sauce is the boss. Speaking of which, I need a little drip. Oh, now. Today, of course, I'm going to be using Sweet Baby Ray's, the good stuff, baby. I wouldn't use anything else, would I? No. So, now you're saying to yourself, like, oh, you know, did you marinate these at all? Well, I'm going to tell you the truth. No, I didn't. I would have liked to. I usually do a little apple juice on there to get that sweet meat flavor. But you know me, I was in a hurry, and you know what I'm going to say, so say it with me. I ain't got time for that shit. So, we can go ahead and just go on. I believe the flavor will be right, you know. Who am I to say? But let's go ahead and spray that barbecue sauce. So drip, 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 big old drip, 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 drip down into the crack. And once you got it good and covered, we're gonna put our lid on. Now you can go low and slow for 8 hours. Actually, that's what I recommend. The lower you go, the slower you go, the more tender and juicy it's gonna be. Me, once again, I got that shit's off. I'm going to get high and put it on high for 4 hours. put the lid on now, go do what I gotta do, and then I'll come back and talk to you. So, I'll see you back here right then. You know. Alright baby, the time has come. The slow cooker ribs are done. And I'm having that first bite. For me. Look at this here. Fall off the bone good, baby. Oh! Tender, tender, tender. Oh. Yes. You know, I venture to say, these are almost better than on the grill. Almost. Just so tender, sweet, flavorful, and good. I love it, baby. And I love all of you. And I want to thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, you'll have to excuse me. These ribs, delightful. I gotta go. I'll see you.